Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all new seeds and new pets that you can get from Grow Garden game on Roblox new farmers market event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The farmers market update has been dropped in Grow a Garden and you can get new seeds and also new pet from the trader event right here. I'm going to talk to the trader Troy and then I'm going to show you the trade rewards. And the trade rewards got updated when you can reach streak 17. Yeah, streak 17 plus, you will get this coned fruit, I don't know, and this shackling pet. And when you scroll down, you will find the cherry bloom and also the messenger pigeon and this one pink side dandelion and the camel and gold lollipop. Oh my god, free gold lollipop from this trader rewards. And yeah, you just need to unlock at least streak 17 to get the new seed and new pet. And actually guys, I have already reached streak 30, more than 30 streaks, but yeah, it accidentally resetted, so I need to start from 0. And okay guys, that's all the new seeds and new pet that you can get from the Grow a Garden farmers market update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.